Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, NeOnc Technologies Holdings Inc. NTHI filed an amendment to a report, and I am seeing a clear signal about their board's focus. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing isn't about new financials, but it does shed light on how the board is structuring itself to oversee critical company functions. Alright, so what we have here is an amendment to a previous filing an 8K report. Think of an 8K as a company's way of telling the public about major events that could affect shareholders. This amendment specifically clarifies something about a new director appointed to the board. It is not a massive strategic shift, but it gives us a peek into the company's internal governance. The original report was about appointing Nasim Shamali to the board of directors. Now they are adding a crucial detail, her committee assignment. This tells us the board is actively working on assigning roles and responsibilities to its members, which is a good sign of organised oversight. This section of the form deals with changes in a company's leadership and their pay. In this case, the key event is the assignment of Nasim Shamali to a specific board committee. It's important to understand what these committees do because they are the engines that drive the board's oversight in specialised areas. So the big news here is that Nasim Shamali has been appointed to the Audit Committee. This is a really significant role. The Audit Committee is responsible for overseeing the company's financial reporting, internal controls, and the audit process. It's essentially the guardian of the company's financial integrity. Having a qualified person on this committee is vital for investor confidence. The Audit Committee now consists of Beta Almanar, who is the chair Jim Delshad, and the newly appointed Nazim Shamali. This composition is interesting. With a new member comes a fresh perspective. The Audit Committee needs to be thorough and independent. Appointing someone to this committee suggests the board is prioritizing strong financial oversight, given that NeOnc Technologies Holdings Inc. has a market cap of around $121 million, and only 5 employees. This committee structure is even more critical for them. Smaller companies often rely heavily on their board's expertise. The report is dated the 21st of August 2026, which is a few days after the appointment itself. This slight delay is not unusual as companies finalize these details. The fact that this appointment is being formally documented and amended into the public record shows a commitment to transparency. We are seeing a lot of insider buying around this time too with NeOnc Technologies Holdings. Founder Thomas Chen acquiring more stock. This often signals confidence from leadership, which can be a positive sign for investors. Now, looking at the broader context for NeOnc Technologies Holdings Incorporated NTHI operates in the healthcare and biotechnology sector. This is a highly competitive and regulated industry. Strong financial oversight provided by a robust audit committee is not just good practice. It is essential for navigating the complexities of this space and maintaining trust with stakeholders. For a company with a small employee base, every person's role is amplified, and the audit committee's effectiveness directly impacts the company's ability to attract and retain investment. What this filing really shows me is that NeOnc Technologies Holdings Incorporated is focusing on the foundational elements of good corporate governance. The appointment to the audit committee signals a commitment to financial accountability and transparency. While this isn't a direct financial report, it is a crucial piece of the puzzle for understanding how the company is being managed. It suggests the board is taking its oversight responsibilities seriously, especially in a sector that demands rigorous financial discipline. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.